In southern Vietnam, at the heart of the vibrant industrial, urban, and seaport logistics zone of South Ho Chi Minh City, Long Hau Industrial Park, home to a thriving community of over 200 multinational enterprises, a dynamic multi-sector industrial ecosystem, bringing together high-growth industries such as high technology, electronics, pharmaceuticals, food processing, medical devices, logistics, and supporting industries. A tightly integrated production, support, and distribution value chain is firmly established, expanding regional connectivity and positioning to capture global supply chain shifts. Businesses operate with modern, integrated infrastructure, featuring a production-ready space built for scalable growth. Tens of thousands of professionals live on site, supported by a full ecosystem of amenities, from housing, trading, and healthcare to schools and banking. 2 decades of partnership, over 99% of investors report long-term satisfaction, from investment consulting and brand communication to business networking and market expansion. Throughout your growth journey, LHC is always by your side. The infrastructure is ready, the community is thriving. Join Long Hau Industrial Park, your strategic gateway for growth in Vietnam.